We're not making a music video, we're making an album.
Say hello to the Cargo Sounds of the Season vinyl record. A martini-sipping, head-bopping holiday experience that would make even Dean Martin and Don Rickles jealous. The idea was simple. Make something badass and share it with our clients and the world. But in true Cargo fashion, we had to turn it to 11. The liner notes introduced our Rat Pack cast of creative, client, and interactive services. And the music itself was a completely original composition, featuring a jazzy blend of lo-fi beats, office ambiance, and holiday cheer. But we couldn't just stop there. To take Sounds of the Season to the next level, we crafted an immersive digital experience for users to fully explore the album and truly get into the holiday spirit. Then hopped on the 1s and 2s, dressed to the 9s, and poured some 7 and 7s to shoot behind-the-scenes skits so users could get to know us and find something to smile about as we close out the year.
We'll cut it in post.
So, we packed up the albums and sent them out, 66 in total. From there, it really blew up. Our clients were hooked, and the praise was flying in faster than we could keep up. Even our good friend Snoop had to drop in to show some love.
And tell him Big Snoop Dogg sent you, man. Happy holidays from Cargo.
IMHO, so lit.
So, pour one up, settle in, and go check out Sounds of the Season for yourself. And remember, it's okay to dance like no one's watching.
Good job, guys.